Welcome to MT-VIKI. AV splitter is to duplicate one AV source on multiple monitors on TVs. It's one direction and no reverse, so please don't use an HDMI splitter as an HDMI switch. In MT-VIKI store there are 1 in 2 out, 1 in 4 out, 1 in 8 out, 1 in 12 out and 1 in 16 out. 4K 30Hz HDMI or 4K 60Hz HDMI splitters for sale. If your connector is maybe VGA or RCA, it's like here and here, it's available at 108p 60Hz for USB-C splitter. UC23 is a good choice for laptop. Some customers complained that HDMI splitter can't extend screen on other additional monitor for different video. No, it cannot. But to achieve different display for laptop, please watch the other video. One thing for reminding, the best transmission distance is 5 meters or 165 feet. It's 6 to 50 meters. All we can do is HDMI and standard splitter over Ethernet like ED104 1 in 4 out, ED108 1 in 8 out by Cat 5e cable. Any questions, please message to us.